It's not that you knows how to make Americano, you knows how to make the American coffee. It's all about the knowledge and how you do it in a very nice way with a standards procedure. Okay? So first, I want to introduce you our machinery that we are using here in the bar. Okay? First, this is the broad coffee machine.
Ayon sa ating bubuwit at ito na nga yung mga araw na hinihintay natin na tayo ay magiging isang trainer pagdating ng panahon dahil nga tayo ay magkakaroon ng mga bagong hire na mga staff at of course, isa sa trabaho namin ay mag-train ng mga bagong staff na darating dito sa aming kumpanya. At ako nga ay isa sa napili para mag-train dito sa bagong staff namin na galing sa Kenya. Basic training lang naman yung mga tinitraining namin at of course yung mga SOP o Standard Operating Procedure dito sa aming kumpanya, dapat niyang malaman at dapat niyang i-apply sa kanyang sarili habang siya ay nandito sa aming kumpanya at nagtatrabaho na kasama namin. Anyways, magaling naman din siyang kumatsyap at mabilis naman siyang matuto at dahil nga naninibago pa siya dito sa aming kumpanya kaya kailangan pa niya ng oras at panahon para makapag-aral at matutunan ang lahat ng mga gawain dito sa loob ng aming coffee shop. At isa-isa kong pinangalanan lahat ng mga machines na ginagamit namin dito sa aming bar at kung ano ang mga function at mga gamit namin dito. Of course, tunuro ko din sa kanya kung paano gamitin isa-isa yung mga machine na para sa paggawa ng aming espresso at mga kape.
Coffee, the regular one. Yes. And this one for the decaffeinated coffee. Okay? Now you know, huh? Yes. This one American coffee machine. This one, the grinder machine is for decaffeinated, and this one is for the regular illy coffee. Okay? Now let's move on. This machine is espresso machine, where we can make our latte art, where we can make our good double shot espresso, and where we can make good foaming of the milk. But later on you will know this one. But for now I will teach you the basic only. Okay? This part of the machine is the steamer machine. So where we can steam our milk, just like this, huh? So we can make, and this one for the hot water. Okay? But not necessarily that we will get our hot water here because sometimes this is very, very sensitive for the water. So we are taking the water from there in the kettle, our electric kettle, and we will use the water, our mineral water, berry water, or anything water from the bottle. So actually, the water we're using here, it's filtered already, so it's potable to drink to make tea. Okay. About this one, as I teach you before, okay? About this one, as I teach you before, this one is longo.
At dito ko din inintroduce sa kanya kung ano nga ba ang lahat ng mga sinserve naming iba't ibang uri ng kape dito sa aming coffee shop. And of course, hindi lang din yan. Dahil nga dito sa aming coffee shop, kami ay nagsiserve at the same time ng mga main course, salad, sandwiches, at mga pastries. Bali, ang concept ng aming coffee shop ay parang restaurant siya na may coffee shop at the same time. So, ganyan po dito ang aming outlet na pinagtatrabahuan. Kaya madami po ang aming pinag-aaralan every week or araw-araw kasi nga lahat ay aming kakabisaduhin. Hindi lang dito sa pag-focus ng aming pagbabar or paggagawa ng kape, pati din po sa lahat ng aming main course, sa aming weekly special, lahat po yan from appetizer down to dessert, lahat po yan ay aming pinag-aaralan at kasama po yan sa aming araw-araw na trabaho dito sa aming restaurant slash coffee shop.
Okay? Then that's it. This one steam. Double espresso steam function. Okay? So we have two steamer, we have one for the hot water, we have two function for the double espresso and pouring. And this one, what do you call this one?
I don't know, but you know its function.
Yeah. This one, the name of this is porta filter, where we can put our grind coffee from here and we will press. This one is what is this?
This is for pressing.
Yeah, pressing coffee. This is coffee tamper. Coffee tamper is like we will press like this and we will press like that. So this is tamper, coffee time tamper. So next we have different kind of cups here. Okay, I will teach you which kind of cups we are using. So this one we're using. The measurement of this is 16 ml, 16 ounce. Yeah, 16 ounce this one. The capacity or the what's we're gonna put inside the water is a 16 ounce. Okay, this one we will use for coffee latte, American coffee, Americano, hot Americano. So we're using this one. Lebanese coffee also, white coffee. We're using also this one. Okay. And but this one is brand is we're using only here in the inside. See, it's not they are not clean properly. And this one, this is for flat white. This is 12 ounce. Okay. Yeah.
At hanggang dito na lang po ang aking mini vlog. Ito po ang aking journey dito sa Saudi Arabia as a barista slash waitress cashier. Dahil po kami ay multitasking dito sa aming kumpanya. So hanggang dito na lang po. Samahan niyo po ako ulit sa aking susunod na vlog. At maraming salamat po sa mga taong patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking mini vlog. Mag-iingat po kayong lahat at God bless to each and everyone. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!